What is your name?
I'm Jillian Dempsey.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Leslie Mann.
And we're here to talk about the new blush line designed in millennial pink packaging. This color right here is called Bloom, and it's an exclusive shade designed for violet gray. I love this, and I want to try this on you, but I think you're this girl. I think you have the prettiest cheeks. You do.
Thank you.
And you just told me you don't know how to do your blush.
I don't know how to do it, no.
How do you miss those?
I'll get like something like this,
Uh-huh.
and I'll go like this,
Yeah.
and then I'll go like that, but I usually have like too much lotion on my face. You know,
Right.
I like to be greasy.
Yes, yes.
And so then it sticks in one spot.
So it
there's-
grabs the
the pigment.
Right.
And then it doesn't spread out, and then I try to do it more, and then I wind up with way too much, and so I just am not good
All
at
right,
it.
so
can you teach me
I
how?
will teach you how, but first of all, I just want to go back to this moment. That let's nix that part of the blush. Let's go more for like dot smile, find the
Atop?
cheeks. Yeah, it's not hard to find your cheeks. They're here. So if you smile, and I'm going to put a little thumbprint right in there. It's almost like you think about like, oh, I am little Bozo the Clown for a second, right? That's crazy, little circle. But I think it breaks the line. If you put concealer on under your eyes, there's always this line here, and you want to get your blush to slightly, gently kind of just do a little Passover sweep so it breaks that. So you're not like here and then the blush is here.
I have never done that. I always have the break.
You have the break. You have the break. So
Thank you.
so that's a little, it's just subtle. Like you get kind of close up. I was using my middle finger not for any purpose, but I use my thumb when I'm working on clients, and I also will use a brush, which I could show you how to do that. But do you see what I mean? There's a little break over. I mean, this is like a nice placement for like a cream blush, I feel like.
So you put it all in this area
I might
too?
even add a little here too, now that I'm looking at you. It's drier than most cream blush. It doesn't have like this kind of greasy feel to it. So when you put your moisturizer on, give it a minute. You can use like a rice paper, and you can place that to take out a little bit of the oil before you apply it. And if you wanted to take a brush and not but go like this, just go in like kind of a circular motion and follow your cheek where you smile. That's always where you're going to find your color. You see? And I like this little cheat of that line for you.
Wow, it looks really good. Look at the difference.
I like Do you want to try it, or do you want
Should
me?
I?
You're scared.
Should I try it on you? Or me? Okay, I'll try it on me.
Try it on you. Are you going to feel more confident with a brush or your thumb? Why don't you do your thumb placement? Think about like your thumb is maybe making the impression once you smile, and you center it. Smile, find your cheeks. Yeah.
I told you.
Okay.
Okay. There.
Yeah. This is so good.
Break the line.
Break the line.
Okay.
Maybe use this little guy right here.
Okay, wait.
Smooth
Let
it
me
out.
really try to do this. So up here a little bit, you said?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Looking good, looking good, looking good.
Let me have that brush.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got this,
You
Leslie.
guys. I'm doing it.
You got this.
Don't go lower. Is there a low spot that you don't go to?
I mean, no. I feel like your cheekbone area is all within this range. So within this range is your area of color.
I think my side looks better than your side.
I think it might look better.
Which side looks better?
Your side. God.
What?
Okay, blend my side out a little bit more. There you go. That just adds like a nice little flush of color. She's going crazy.
Great.
I think it's pretty.
Yeah, looks good.
Do you want to try the bloom on top of this just to show like a brush application for those of you, maybe the girls with really super long pointy fingernails that can't do the thumb.
Right.
Maybe they want to go to the brush. So maybe they want smile. Maybe they want, here's a little bloom for you. This has a little tiny bit of iridescence to it. You can see there's a little sheen in there. It's super user friendly. I feel like it goes with so many different skin tones. It's a happy, friendly color. It's really accessible. I feel like it's not intimidating, and I think most people can wear it. That's why I wanted Violet Grey to have it.